We'll guide you through how to make pie chart Figma. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because many designers need an easy way to visualize data and charts while working in Figma. To begin this tutorial, open Figma on your computer. After the application opens, locate and open the Figma file where you want to make a pie chart. Click the Actions icon to open the available options. Choose Plugins and Widgets so you can use extra tools inside Figma. Click on the search bar and type 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀 to locate the Chart Generator plugin. After the search results appear, click the result called Plugin 𝗕𝗂𝘀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀𝗀 workspace. In the plugin panel, select the pie chart icon located on the left menu to switch the plugin to pie chart mode. This allows the plugin to generate a circular chart based on the data settings you provide. In the line chart panel, you can adjust the data settings such as minimum value, maximum value, decimal points, and row values if needed. For example, keep the default values provided by the plugin. Next, you can modify the data names, number of data points, and year labels according to your needs. For example, use the default dummy data already available in the plugin. In the plugin settings, change the ChartSet theme if you want a different visual style. For example, switch the theme to dark mode to create a darker chart appearance. You can also apply a quick preset to automatically style the chart. For example, choose one of the preset styles provided by the plugin so the chart colors and layout update instantly. Once all the settings are ready, click Generate to create the pie chart based on the current settings. The chart will be automatically generated and placed on the canvas inside your Figma file. After the chart appears, review the pie chart carefully to make sure the data labels, colors, and layout look correct. If there is any incorrect data, layout issue, or style that needs adjustment, return to the plugin panel, modify the settings, and generate the chart again to update the result.